Hello, thanks for joining me. Today I'll be making lazy man chicken. Let's get started. Okay, I have a cup and a half of rice that I've rinsed and set aside. And here I have, in this pot I have 3 cups of water. I have some home style stock. That's what I'm using, but you can use broth to make it if you want. I'm gonna take one of these. This is stock actually, just a little richer in flavor is all. Gonna add it in here. And we're just gonna heat it up until it breaks down. And then I'll have my pot of sauce. My pot of chicken stock. Tongue's twisted. I'm not sure if I said 2.5 cups of rice, but if I did, I'm correcting myself. It's 1.5 cups of rinsed rice. Okay, I have diluted my concentrated stock, and I've tasted it. It wasn't what I wanted it to be. So what I did was I just added a little bit of beef bouillon. That's why you taste and taste. Make sure you like it. And add whatever you like to your stock. I'm going to add some onion powder and some garlic powder. I'm being silly, y'all. And some black pepper. As much or as little as you like. I have some chives. Get on in there. This is an easy dish too. That's why they call it lazy man's chicken, I guess. You can make it as easy as you like. And yeah, that's tasty. I have here some celery that I've sliced thin. Gonna add some of that in. I have some red bell peppers, some green bell peppers, and some yellow bell peppers that I have sliced thin as well. See? And I have some white onions that I've sliced up thin too. We're going to add them into the broth. Taste this. That's tasty. And add as much green, red, and yellow bell pepper as you like. You know that can be pretty strong. But if you love them, hey, put a bunch in there. If you love them. And guess what else? I'm going to put some butter. You know we need some butter. And that might be about a tablespoon and a half. Going to melt that. And my broth is turned off. I just wanted to dilute the concentrate. Let me taste it a little bit. See? Something's pretty potent in here. Let me see. That's enough of everything. That is pretty darn good. You see, I may add a little more. About another tablespoon of butter. It's not a must, but as you know, it adds lots of flavor. Okay, let's see. Now I'm going to add that. This broth in. I hope I used a big enough dish. If not, I'll just switch it out really quickly. So I have my chicken. I think it's going to make it rise. I'm going to stir this well. Okay, I've taken my chicken out of the fridge that I have seasoned with some onion powder, some garlic powder, some nature seasoning, and I just added a few chives. So we're just going to add this in. I'm going to place mine in skin up. And this is just, I have chicken, I have one wing, one drumstick, I have a thigh, and I have a breast that I've split in half. Well, I lost most of that. Let's get this in here. And my oven is ready on 350. And I'm going to cover this with some foil. I'm going into the oven and just leave a little opening so it can escape. Some of that steam can escape. Just a little, not much. And I'm going to put my timer on 1 hour. I'm going to go in 30 minutes. I'm going to take off the foil. I'm going to put it back in and let it cook the other 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes. I'm going to uncover and put it back into the oven. See that? Okay, I let it go for an extra 15 minutes just because I wanted my chicken to brown up. We're going to take some. Smells delicious. Let's put some of this rice. Oh yeah. There we have it. Make it look really pretty. Okay, the rice is nice and tender. And the chicken. Flavorful. That was kind of hot, y'all. And thanks for hanging out with me. And remember to pray, then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him. Pray for you, pray for them. Pray for us. Don't stop praying. Pray. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe and tap that bell if you haven't. And if you have, thank you so much. Share with your friends and family and comment. I would love to hear from you. And until next time, eat well, be safe, and stay blessed. Bloop. I love you. I really do. And try some of this. Try it. Try it with pork. Or turkey. Or whatever you want. Just try it. You'll be glad you did. Later.